Hello and welcome to our channel. For today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update name and photo on iPhone. Before we get started, please don't forget to like and subscribe and click the notification bell for you to be updated to our latest tutorial videos. Without further ado, let's now begin. Now if you're on your iPhone and you want to update which name and photo other people see when they text you, when you call them, all of that stuff, I'll show you how to do it. Now let's open up your settings here, and you can see at the very top my profile photo and my name. I'm going to tap on that, and you can see this is the photo and name that I have associated with my account. I can always change this just by going back and scrolling down and finding messages here, and you can see midway down share name and photo, and I can tap on it and it allows me to edit both the photo as well as the name. So name, I'm going to tap here. Instead of Frank Anthony, I could just put Frank and remove the last name if I wanted to. And under the photos, I just tap edit, and I can go through and choose different ones here. Or I can just press the plus button at the bottom right, and it allows me to choose any kind of photos. I can choose to upload the photo from my gallery if I wanted to. Let's say I want to use that photo, I can use it and essentially have that as my updated photo when I give people a call. So I can hit choose here, and next, and just like that, I can update the poster, basically what it looks like when I give somebody a call. It will pop up with this, and essentially I've changed that name as well as the photo that anyone else would be able to see when I call them, or they call me or text me or anything like that. If you find this video helpful, leave a thumbs up, share it to your friends, and hit the subscribe button. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon in the next video.